Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this wig I purchased from Amazon. It's from a company called Sogram, and this is the bag that it came in. So this is a 13 by 4 short bob curly 12-inch lace frontal wig. They say that it is a transparent lace bob wig. It is pre-plucked with baby hair and has a 150% density. Even though it's already pre-plucked, I'm going to go along and do some further plucking or some further customization. That lace though is a no-no, but the favorite part of this wig is the spacing on the lace. You can part it anywhere. Now I'm gonna start off with applying my lace glue, and I'm gonna do 4 layers of glue. When you're applying your glue, make sure that you spread it out as thin as possible. Spread it out within an inch wide or even more if you can. And this is the wig after I customized it. You're gonna see this wig be looking real ashy for a while because I do not apply foundations before I apply my lace. Whenever I install my wigs, I make sure that I secure the back first, and then I continue to pull my lace forward. So the first place you're supposed to put down is the extreme middle, not the sides, because to me it's more harder. It's difficult to lay your sides first and then you go along. The best thing to do is lay down the middle and lay it down as flat as possible. Lay it as close to the glue. Do not lay it too much over the glue, and do not lay it definitely behind the glue. As I apply my lace, I am ensuring that I am applying it where the glue is, because I do not like to apply glue after I put my lace on, and neither do I want to be cleaning off glue after I apply my lace. So now I'm just going to tie down my lace just to ensure that I have a nice melt. However, as I was tying my hair, I did make a blunder. I made a bow on top of the lace, and then that created something that I did not like. So if you're going to tie down your lace, do not do what I'm doing right here. Do not make a bow. Make the bow around the back, not at the front of your hair. When I'm cutting off my lace, I do not use the zigzag method. I use a clipping method, and that's just clipping onto the lace as close as possible as I can get to where the glue stops or where the glue starts. And I just clip until I am completely finished. With my foundation, I'm just applying this to this lace, so I'll fix the ashiness as I go along. As I apply the foundation with the brush, then I'm going to go in with my fingers and just continue to rub it into the lace and the glue. Now I'm going to use my melting spray to get a more sludge, and I'm using the same brush that I used to apply my makeup, just to use it and apply the melting spray. So let's tie down our hair again for another 5 minutes and let the melt process continue. All I did for the baby hairs was I used the pencil flat iron and I curled it upwards, and that was it. And then I went in with my scissors and I cut it about an inch and so long. Normally you should cut it about an inch, because I didn't want to mess up, because it's harder for me to apply my wigs than when I apply it onto my clients. So I do cut the baby hair longer, so in case I mess up, I can fix it. The edge gel that I'm using, it's from Silk Elements, and I'm just going to place that on the front part of the baby hairs, and then I'm going to go in with Silk Element mousse as well, and then I'm just going to swoop that into my hair. As you guys can see, I already did I already did one, so I'm just gonna show you guys the rest. I hate doing baby hairs. I hate it. this is the last tie down. I am just setting the baby hairs. While I allow the baby hairs to set, I am going to style my hair. And for styling them, I'm using my curling products from Cantu and also my Silk Element styling foam or mousse. And this is how my hair came out. As you can see, my lace looks totally better now than when it looked ashy. And this is how my hair looks when it's dry. So I went out and I came back home, and this is the after effect. My hair looks so good. I really like this wig, except from the lace part. It's really full and I love that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this.